You are looking so sharp and beautiful this morning.
Thank you.
Come. Aha. You. You know, when I was in school, there is this rhyme that I used to like so much. It goes this way. There are two little birds sitting on a wall.
One named Peter.
Aha. One named Paul.
Fly away, Peter.
Fly away, Paul.
Come back, Peter.
Go. Okay, fly.
Then let me tell you, it's not there are two blackbirds. No, what did you say?
There are two blackbirds sitting on a wall.
There are two little blackbirds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Oh, come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Come back to little blackbirds.
And sit on
blackbird. Come back to little blackbirds.
I got you there. See, I made a mistake and you made a mistake too.
No. Let's go again.
We're almost there, okay?
Okay.
We're almost in school. Alright. Here we are.
Yeah.
My baby, remember to read very well.
Yes.
Pay attention to your teachers. Okay? Just like I did when I was your age.
Okay. I'll make you proud.
Yes, let me come and open the door for you. Because you're my princess. Oh, my princess. Make sure you read well. Study very, very hard, okay? Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Gina. What happened? You came late today.
I'm so sorry about that, sir. Sorry.
It's okay. Miracle will give you the listed items.
Okay, sir. Is there any specific thing you had wanted me to cook?
Just check the menu. Are you still asking? We trust your judgment anytime, any day. I mean, at all times. Oh?
Thank you very much, sir. That reminds me, sir. How about the money?
Oh, everything is with Miracle. Don't worry. She will hand everything to you, even the money.
Alright,
Sit with her.
Good afternoon.
Customer.
I want to buy rice. So.
Rice.
How much do you cup?
451, one cup.
And I get one with this. So.
And a Nigerian, this thing, but a very good one.
I want foreign I want.
Foreign?
Foreign.
We see they chop foreign. And a Nigerian rice, but a better rice it be.
I want foreign.
Foreign?
they go. Carry me, they go. Carry me, they go, they go, they go. Carry me, they go. Carry me, they go, they go, they go. Carry me, they go. Carry me, they go, they go, they go. Carry me, they go. Carry me, they go, they go, they go. Carry me, they go. Carry me, they go, they go, they go. Carry me, they go. Carry me, they go, they go. They go. Carry me, they go. Carry me, they go, they go, they go. Carry me, they go. Jesus, carry me, they go, they go, they go. Carry me, they go. Jesus, carry me, they go, they go, they go. Sorry, thank God. Go and try, let me come and pack you. Mira, Mira. Hey, your clothes is beautiful. Carry me, they go. Carry me, they go, they go, they go. Carry me, they go.
You're welcome.
You know you were supposed to call me the other day, and you didn't.
I'm sorry, I forgot.
You forgot. Can you listen to yourself? You forgot to call your girlfriend. Does that even make any sense? Or tell me, is there another woman in your life?
Another woman? No! You're the only girlfriend that I have. I mean, except my beautiful daughter.
Come to think of it, when am I meeting her? Abby, it's not yet time.
Oh.
Are we to continue this hide and seek forever?
No. See, you're right. It's time for you to meet my daughter.
So
don't worry. I'll make arrangements soon. Very soon, okay? Is that what you are?
No reach.
It's okay.
Daddy?
Oh, Miracle.
Yes?
How are you?
I'm fine. Guess what?
Guess. You know I'm not good at this guessing of a thing.
Okay. Guess what Auntie Naya did today?
Naya? I'm not surprised. She's full of surprise all the time. Yo, tell me, what did she do this time?
She bought a lot of things for me. She even added her money and bought me a new pack of undies.
Her money? She's such a nice girl.
Yeah, I know.
Don't worry, I know what to do. I'll refund her.
That's nice.
Miracle. There is someone I wanted to meet very soon.
Thank you. Who is this person?
Esembengere bonga namanno. Sisugore mengeni yore. Sembengere.
Neighbor.
Sasa.
Apan.
Sa.
How are you?
I'm very fine.
That's good. This one you want to see me. I hope all is well.
Sir, all is well. It's just that they get waiting down, they bother me for some days now. Sir, they in my room. They think they disturb me. I say, how could they come tell my neighbor this kind of thing? Now the Spirit of God whispered to me and tell me, go and meet your neighbor before everything gone wrong.
Apan.
Sir.
I hope all this is not a trick to come and borrow money from me.
No.
I don't have money now.
Sir, God forbid, I have money now. No. I don't sell my plot of land where they village because I won't marry.
Okay, that is good. But what is it that you want to speak with me?
Sir, the Spirit of God is telling me that you are not seeing what I am seeing in your house.
My house?
Yes. You get waiting there your house where you know they see. Now you make I can't tell you so that you fit follow they see waiting at they see.
don't think there's anything I'm seeing. What is it? Tell me now. Go straight to the point.
Okay. It's about Chinenye, your nanny.
What happened to her?
I see her becoming your wife. So I want you to marry her.
Are you okay? Are you sure you're fine?
So I'm fine. I treated malaria yesterday.
No, you're not fine. You're not fine. Are you stupid? Having the gut to tell me this? Is there something wrong with you?
Sir, nothing is wrong with me. I am fine. Huh? Sir, I am seeing Chinenye becoming a stepmother to your daughter. Miracle.
Will you shut up your mouth and get out of this place?
Sir, this is reality. Sir, get
out of this place!
Neighbor, this advice, this small talk I won't talk with you now, it is very important. Think about it, neighbor.
Are you mad? Get out! I said, come on, get out! My daughter's dead. Chile.
So, what's the money for?
My daughter told me you spent extra cash of your money buying her on this.
Yes, I did, but I never asked for a refund.
Come on, it's your money. So you need it. So I'm returning it to you.
Sir, I only did it out of goodwill. I don't need a refund.
I know. And I'm also returning it to you from the place of goodwill. It is your money. So, have it.
Thank you very much, sir.
Now, come on. You don't need to thank me, okay?
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
It's alright. Chinenye.
Sir.
There is something important I want to discuss with you. I don't... Come, sit down. Sit here. Sit. Like I said, there's something bothering me, and thought it wise to talk to you and seek advice. When do you think will be fine and okay for me to introduce my girlfriend to my daughter? I mean, it's something I should do for proper bonding. They can get to know each other very well.
I don't think there is a fixed time for that. Once you're convinced about it, then go ahead. So long as you both are in love with each other. Besides, your daughter needs to know who her father is getting involved with for bonding purposes.
You know, I almost told her last night, but I couldn't. I just don't know how to start talking, telling her. I don't know how she's going to feel, actually.
Whichever way, you need to tell her. Yes, tell her, because we are talking about her potential stepmother.
You're right. You're right.
I hope that answers your question.
Yes, absolutely. Yes, thank you so much.
You're welcome,
I
sir.
appreciate it.
It's fine. I hope you don't need my help.
No, I am fine. I mean, I had to fix everything this morning before. It's okay. It's alright.
Alright.
Thank you once again.
Yeah, it's fine.
Bye-bye.
I told you that.
Hey. Hi, baby. Come on, say hello to daddy. Huh?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Anyway, Zara, meet my beautiful daughter.
Good afternoon.
Her name is Miracle. Miracle, meet my new girlfriend, Zara.
Hi, Miracle. I've heard so much about you.
Well, I'm sorry, I can't say the same about you.
Anyways, we have a whole lot of time to spend together. Just you, me, and then your father. Eventually, a big happy family. What do you think?
Whatever.
Whatever, also. Maybe. Yes, sir. Miracle. Miracle. What is it?
I don't like that woman.
You don't like that woman, but your father likes her.
I don't even know why it's so important for him to marry another woman. I never complained of getting a stepmother. I mean, I'm okay like this. I don't want anybody.
Miracle. But you know everything is not about you. I mean, sometimes you should step out of the box and consider your father. He has feelings. He's human. His emotions runs as well. The least thing you should do is to support and be happy with him.
But I don't like her. I don't need to force my own feelings. I don't like her.
Miracle, you are just getting to meet this person. Why not give her benefit of doubt?
I'm just getting to know her, but her aura, there's this thing about her. It gives me bad vibes, like negative energy. I don't like it.
I understand. But please, just give her benefit of doubt. You never can tell. You're just getting to meet her. Okay? Miracle. So what do you say? Miracle. Just give her benefit of doubt now. You never can tell. You cannot judge a book by its cover.
I'll try.
It's fine now. Yeah, smile. So tell me, what do you want?
I'll just follow you to the kitchen so we can get something for ourselves.
That's my girl. Mimi, let's go. Hi, Miracle. Good morning. Good morning. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? Just wait for me at the sitting room. The food will soon be ready. Okay? Alright.
Honey, why did you let her cook?
Miracle, I don't understand. Is she not supposed to cook for your father?
I prefer your own food. You shouldn't let her cook for any reason.
Miracle, I told you. You would like her food. Eh? She's a nice person. This lady, as you can see, she's industrious. Right?
I still prefer your own food. Please don't let her cook next time.
Miracle, can you please give her benefit of doubt?
No. No.
Okay, it's fine. I'm going to cook in the night. Is that okay by you? Miracle, is that okay by you?
Yes.
This meal tastes nice.
Thank you.
I hope you're enjoying your meal.
It's not bad.
Hey, come on. Acknowledge this meal for once.
Okay. It's not bad though. It's nice.
It's nice, right?
Thank you. Miracle, I know you love the food.
Cheers.
You're welcome.
Until you already dressed in the bed. What are you doing?
She didn't do it well, so I'm doing it for you. Anyways, I'm done. You can lay on it.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good morning, Auntie.
Hi, good morning, my love. How are you?
I'm fine.
You must be hungry. So just give me a few minutes. I'll come dish out your breakfast.
Breakfast.
Of course, yes. I woke up around 4 a.m. just to make breakfast for you. And guess what?
What?
It's your favorite.
My favorite.
Mm-hmm.
So, who told you my favorite?
Your father did.
Mm.
Yeah. So just give me small time, okay?
Okay then.
Hello? Yes. I will send it once I get the money. I will send it. Just give me some more time. Let me call you back. What is it?
I not come here to come fight you. I come here to come give you fatherly advice. As a father. You see this house where you dey? It no be your house. Go back to your father's house.
And who are you and why are you advising me?
I am a good neighbor to this man. Go back to your father's house. This man no go fit marry you. You no be in spec. Even at my condition where I dey like this, you no be my spec. Talk less of this man where don't make am for life. My dear, go back to your father's house.
See this one. You're advising me to leave my husband to this house.
Yummy.
Are you okay?
You be like you don't dey marry. See, make I tell you, person where go marry this man dey. No be your husband. Better go back to your father's house. Me they take you young come. See the young come.
Like something they worry you for it. You are mad.
If you no leave
I
this house,
get out.
I go frustrate you.
Oh God, they go.
If you won't stay, I go frustrate you. It's better
Frustrate your community people, not me. You they crazy.
Akbarino.
I beg you.
Do your
See this
honor.
one.
Do your honor.
Come in.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, my baby. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
This one you came to this place this morning.
Yes. I came to just give you a little gossip.
Okay.
That woman, she seems to be nice. And from all my observations, I think she'll make a good wife.
I like the fact that you're beginning to like her. She is truly a nice person.
Well, I pray so because, sometimes they pretend. So let's just keep watching her.
She's for real.
Okay.
Trust me.
Hope you had a good night's rest.
Yes, I had a very good one. I'm just going through some topic.
Okay. Guess what?
now I can guess. Tell me.
She made breakfast for me.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, I will join you soon.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you mad? Are you stupid? Ma, sorry. It was a mistake. Sorry, ma. Why would you do that? Sorry for your miserable self. Can you imagine?
But what was that for? Why did you slap her?
Miracle, stay out of this.
I will not. Why did you slap her? That's so wicked of you. Why? Because of just a little mistake? You don't do that now. Even my father that employed her has never laid his hands on her. Why would you do that?
I said you should watch your mouth.
Or you do what? You slap me. Like you did to her. Okay, slap me. Slap me, let me...
What is that? Don't you dare! Are you mad? A slap from you I can take. But if you dare lay your filthy hands on this girl, I will kill you and freely walk through the gate of prison. Miracle, go inside.
They told me exactly what happened. You want fault.
You're supporting your daughter and this non-entity you call a nanny.
No, please stop. Don't call her names. Nobody does that. Don't!
Seriously. This girl disrespected me. And this is all you have to say.
No one disrespected you. You were only exhibiting dominance in an arrogant way. You're lucky. You're lucky you did not slap my daughter like you almost did. You're lucky. No one touched my daughter. If you want to exhibit those madness, go out there and exhibit it in the market, not in my house.
You know what? To hell with you and your daughter. All of you! Excuse me.
What are you doing?
What does it look like? I'm leaving.
Leaving? Just like that?
Just like that. Or you make a choice.
Make a choice. What choice are you talking about?
You have to choose between me or them.
You want me to choose between you and them, Miracle and Chineye?
Yeah.
I don't understand. Are you serious?
Do I look like I'm joking?
You're not joking.
You need to choose me or them, or I'm living your life.
Please get out.
I'm leaving.
Get out, go. You're blocking my view. Get out! Nonsense. Do you know how long it took me to raise that child to this point? Who are you?
I think that she's a pretender. Very big pretender.
Miracle, it's okay. Your father is handling everything. It's okay.
I just wish she would handle it the way I wish to. Else I'll just help him because that lady is evil. I don't even want her to spend one more night in this house.
It's okay now. You self, come and sit down.
No,
I don't want her to spend one more night.
If I tell you something, you don't agree. You don't believe me.
I understand.
But why are you being so cool?
Am I being cool?
Yes.
I'm just doing my job now. Your father paid me, so what do you expect? I'm doing my job.
And someone is insulting you, you won't do anything.
I don't have right to retaliate. Else, they might sack me.
Chineye, it get waiting my mind. My spirit they tell me say make I tell you. But my mind tell me say no. I can't confirm something from you first before I go fit tell you that thing.
See, Akpan, you know say I know they get your time. Once you don't leave your house, come here now. Wait till you want tell me. Talk now, make I know. Talk, I don't get this time. Oh.
Calm down. If you know what me, I won't tell you now. You go even calm down say make I tell you. I want to ask you two things. This thing where they here. This thing. You the gym. Na chess. Or na waiting woman they get.
Akpan, which kind of nonsense question be that one? Eh? Akpan, I don't tell you. Talk what you want talk. Make I come up for here.
Calm down. I know you no one answer that one. Make I ask you another one. Chineye, anytime when you want peace, you dey peace like man or you dey peace like woman.
Akpan, you know you are too funny, but see, Akpan, I dey quick verse. I know they laugh again. Talk what you want talk. Make I come up for here. Wait till be that.
Because me say I dey vex with you. Me say I dey vex with you. Why you go there like man for this house? You are too soft. You don't see all these women when your oga they carry come this house. Your oga not supposed they carry these women come this house when you dey this house. You suppose they take for oga. Show your oga say you be woman. I want make your oga marry you. Yes, I want make your oga marry you. Even if your village people no agree, I go stand as your father. If men stand as your father, you gonna know me.
I just shut up your mouth. Which kind of nonsense talk be that one? Akpan, see, I'm here for my job. Do you hear me? I am here for my job and I don't want anything that will bring trouble. Please, my oga pays me so every month he gives me my salary. He even add more. See, I'm just here for my job and I don't want anything else.
Chineye, leave this work. Leave this work. This work will make you turn to baker. Why you go there for river? You dey carry saliva and they wash your face. You see Miracle? I want Miracle to be your stepdaughter. And I want your oga to marry you. I want it to be Mrs. Oga. What do you talk? Anytime you see us Oga, sit down. Go they twerk. They twerk. They twerk. Even if you know sabi twerk, shake him. Shake him. I want me your Oga marry you.
Akpan, enough.
I beg. I beg you. I beg you. See, you are a woman. You are beautiful. Carry me around. Check yourself. You are beautiful. Don't leave me.
Akpan, I don't want anything that will jeopardize my work here. Please.
Forget your work. Do like a woman. Go marry you. They don't do this girl for village. They don't do this girl for village. They don't carry man paint her picture for in the spiritual. Now makes you not understand her life. Chineye, if you say I get money, I for marry this girl. If I come be, now my native name, the native one I could use wait ourselves. Chineye, wait in yene. Chineye, wait in yene. God, this girl fine.
But she don't know what thing she get.
Because you don't know how much it hurts when they know the real truth. Don't expect true love from fake people. Don't expect true love from fake people.
Just don't go anywhere, okay? I'll be right back.
I was lost, busy chasing shadows.
Oh, thank you so much
Why are you thanking me?
for what you did.
Oh, you mean for teaching her about menstrual cycle?
Of course. Do you think I would have been able to do that?
Why not? Because it's nothing serious.
Come on. You don't expect me to sit my daughter down and start teaching her what I have zero knowledge about.
I understand, but believe me, she can handle everything now.
I'm grateful. Thank you.
It's okay, you're welcome, sir. I'll take my leave.
All right. Take care.
Yes, sir.
Alma baby. Alma, see, let me tell you. If you give me chance, I will make it up to you. In fact, Alma, I will love you for the rest of my life.
Are you sure?
Am I joking? He said, am I sure? I'm not joking. I will love you. I will give you love one thing, including agape love. Alma, baby.
I wonder what this Iroko tree, empty Iroko tree is telling you that making you blush like this. My sister, if you know what is good for you, you better go on your own. No, it does not have anything to offer.
Wait. Are you referring to me?
No, I cannot be referring to you. Just look around and know if there's any other empty Goliath, poor Goliath here. See, let me tell you, they cannot offer you anything. No, I'm not advising you to stop.
What is she talking about?
This girl, she's talking nonsense.
I know, this is how you used to do. Any girl that you see there, you just be. That's what you used to do in this street.
Don't mind her. Leave her. So.
Okay, tell him to give you 1,000 naira.
1,000?
I think I'm lying, yes.
Okay, oh yeah, give me 1,000.
1,000.
1,000. Give me 1,000 now.
Okay, see, I will transfer for you. Don't worry. No, leave this thing. Leave this. This is pocketless.
Don't
worry.
have any money.
This is pocketless. Leave it.
And you say you love me.
My Mama, where are you going? Mama.
Nothing to bring to the table.
This is what you have cost. This is what you just cost now. How? Are you mad? Punish you, idiot.
Daddy!
What is it?
I was attacked by 2 boys.
2 boys?
Yes.
What did they do to you?
They blocked me and one of them squeezed my hand so hard.
Oh
It's
no.
paining me.
This is unacceptable. No one touches my daughter and goes scot-free. Go and show me those bastards. Ah, for what?
You are very stupid. You are an idiot. You are here. Small girl biting me and run away. You are here asking me how. You are here asking me how. You yourself, how?
This nonsense guy here. This one that squeezed my hand.
Hello, sir.
No, wait. Who are you people looking for?
It's the fool that attacked me.
Are you calling me a fool?
Wait. Yeah?
Yeah.
Hello, sir, please. With all due respect, sir. I don't like people harassing my daughter. She's too tender. You don't have to harass her now.
Yes. You don't have to harass her, huh? Oh, you don't want me to harass your daughter? You said you don't want me to harass her daughter?
Yes, sir.
You said
you
don't want me.
I'm not... wait, I am not here to fight you, sir. I am not here to fight you. You can hear
this line again. Yeah, your small daughter. Wanna see me? I go soon.
It's okay, Daddy, calm down.
Are you sure?
You don't have, it doesn't mean that you don't have strength.
See, they are lucky. I'll have dealt with one of them.
You have dealt with one of them. Eh?
Yes.
So why did you run?
You know what I'm capable of doing. I mean, I had to drag you.
After all your fighting morale, immediately you saw them, you just dropped them. That's not nice. You can't even protect your own daughter.
I only dragged you out of that scene. You know what I'm capable of
doing now. So why didn't you fight them? What are you capable of doing?
Well, anyway, they are very, very lucky. I would have killed somebody today.
Come back. You would have killed somebody. Go and kill one person.
Are you using me to play or what?
No. I'm just trying to test your strength. But you don't have power.
Okay, is it because I'm trying to protect you, right?
Let's go and meet them if they're trying to protect me.
Miracle, I don't want you to tell Chineye anything that happens there. Let it remain between us, the both of us.
No problem, I promise.
Are you sure? Don't tell her.
Let's go and meet Auntie Lenye. Let me tell her something else.
For those guys, that guy is very
Auntie
good.
Lenye!
Come! Remember your promise.
No problem, just relax. I'm not going to tell anybody. As long as I'm concerned, nothing happens to them.
Are you sure?
Let's go. Auntie Lenye! Auntie Lenye! No, I'm not telling her, don't worry. Come.
Are you sure?
Auntie Lenye! Let's walk!
This country will not get better.
Sir, I'm about to take my leave.
You leaving?
Yes.
Alright, let me take you.
Sir, you got nothing to worry about. I'm already used to it.
See, you did over time, okay? And considering the fact that you don't even want to sleep. So let me take you home.
I would have slept over, but I have something doing before coming to work tomorrow. So.
Okay, I insist. I want to take you home.
I don't have a choice. It's fine, sir. Thank you very much.
It's alright. I am scared. I'm scared I'm not doing this parenting very well. I mean, I'm not being a good father to my daughter. I'm so scared I am going to disappoint her.
Sorry, I'm laughing, but then you're the best and most dedicated father I've ever seen. I know there is no overall best when it comes to parenting, but believe me, you are a genius when it comes to this.
Thank you so much, Naya. You brightened my mood. You know what happened today really got me worried. And I started to realize that my daughter is growing into a beautiful woman. And very soon, just very soon, men will be everywhere frolicking and getting attracted to her. And she'll be gone. Gone.
Of course.
I'll be alone.
But you know Miracle will not remain a child forever. For you staying alone is not happening anytime soon. So, better don't start crying. Chill, it's not happening.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
One more thing. Do you think Sarah will make a good wife to me? A good stepmother to my daughter? Miracle.
Sir, I think I'm not in position to tell you what to do. You're in the best place to decide. I mean,
I'm sorry about the question. I think I went overboard. It's alright.
Excuse me. My name is Jude.
Mr. Jude, how may I help you?
Actually, I saw your bike was in market, so I decided to follow you.
Seriously?
Yeah. Can I be your friend? I mean no harm.
It's fine.
So, what's the name?
My name is Chinonye.
Chinonye. Wow, what a nice name. Let me have your number.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you a call.
I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back. No turning back. Hello? Okay, how may I help you? I'm so sorry, I'm not disposed for a date. Yes. Yes, I'm in a committed relationship and there's no chance for you. Chinenye, what is wrong with you? Chinenye, are you in any committed relationship? What did I just say?
And I'm sure you're good at the competition.
Sir, food is served. Mimi, I'm done.
What did you make?
I made your favorite spag.
Wait, I didn't give you any money for a new meal. We still have rice and plantain in the fridge.
Yes, please consider this a special meal for me.
With your money?
Yes, sir.
Wow, thank you. Why are you ignoring your call? Speak it.
It's nothing serious.
I want my phone here with my daddy.
Person is still calling.
Excuse me, sir.
Maybe it's her boyfriend.
Her boyfriend? Does she have a boyfriend?
She should. You don't want her to have any.
course. She deserves to have a boyfriend. She deserves love.
Okay, so how is it going in your business?
Came told?
Yes.
Why?
Why?
Yes, why couldn't you beat the other two candidates and become first? I'm asking.
I tried.
You tried?
Yes, it was the mathematics.
Exactly. It's because of the mathematics. If not, first position.
See, during my days, I have never imagined anything less than first position in class. It got to the point that it became a trademark on me. I always take first position in class. Ask anyone, it's on records.
Wow. But I've never heard of that before.
That's because I don't like bragging with it. I've always imagined first position in class. The records are there. Huh? So next time, I want you to fight. Fight and come first in class. Those people that are coming first, they don't have two heads. They read, they write. They are always busy reading their books. I know you can do it. I know you can do it.
I guess I'll just put more effort in tutoring her.
Well, you've always done your best. But it's okay, put more effort.
Thank you, sir.
And thank you so much for your help.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah. Try it there. Fight. I know you make me proud.
You first position.
Yes. See, I can say it anywhere. I have never imagined anything less than first position, and I'm proud of myself, even my parents. So walk, read. Keep reading.
I read.
And you came third.
Yes, it's coincidence.
Coincidence? Don't allow that coincidence to happen again. Huh? Lakshmi, please, where are you? Please, I want you to leave everything you're doing and come here right away. Another one has happened though. I'm in big trouble. Please, if you don't come here right now, this might end my life. Oh, alright. Alright. Hey! What do I do now?
For me, what happened?
Miracle is asking about sex.
I don't understand.
She asked me, at what age is it okay for a girl child to start having sex?
Wait. So was that why you said something is about to take your life?
Doesn't that sound disturbing? Why should my daughter be curious about sex?
I'm so sorry, sir. Sorry, I'm laughing. But you need to calm down. Calm down. It's nothing strange at all. Right? I mean, you're lucky she's asking about sex. Yes, you have a good relationship with her. If not, her curiosity would have landed her in the wrong place.
Wait. You think it is okay for her to ask me such questions?
Exactly. Very normal. Yes. I mean, you should be lucky she was able to share such thoughts with you. And you see, that is why I applaud your parenting. Because a lot of children out there do not discuss this with their parents. And 80% of them end up getting unwanted pregnancy, diseases and other stigmas.
So, what do you suggest I do?
I suggest you tell her the truth about sex.
What?
Yes.
Chinenye? Chinenye? Eh? How do you want to feel comfortable sitting my girl child and looking at me face to face discussing about sex? Sex! With my daughter, face to face.
Sir, it's
No, I don't have that power. I don't get power. That's why I called you. I trust you. So help me out. Help me. When I sit face to face talking with my sex. Ha!
Where is Miracle?
She's inside.
Oh.
Face to face with my daughter, discussing sex. Wow. Thank you so much.
Actually, it's nothing. I mean, that is the same advice I would give to my siblings anymore. You know, hiding anything that has to do with intimacy is driving to curiosity. And that often creates uncertainty.
You're right about this. Listen, thank you once more. I don't know what I would have done without you.
It's fine, sir. I'll take my leave.
It's okay. Thank you. It's high time you start knowing most of these things.
Eric is the money come back. Eric is the money come. Yeah. My friend. It's been a while. Yeah, baby.
I've been around. You too.
Good afternoon. Don't tell me it's your daughter.
Yes, my daughter, Miracle.
Miracle, how are you? Miracle. I hope you don't have it boy brain like your father. I hope you don't have it.
Why are you calling him Itibori?
Eric, you did not tell your daughter that you're Itibori. Eric is Itibori. Back then is. Eric did not tell you. This is bad, Eric. You need to tell her the truth. Eh? Your father has been carrying last position in our class. Always.
Came told.
Yes.
Why?
Why?
Yes, why couldn't you beat the other two candidates and become first? I'm asking.
I tried.
You tried.
Yes, it was the mathematics.
Exactly. It's because of the mathematics. If not, first position.
See, during my days, I have never imagined anything less than first position in class. It got to the point that it became a trademark on me. I always take first position in class. Ask anyone, it's on records.
Wow. But I've never heard of that before.
That's because I don't like bragging with it. I've always emerged first position in class. The records are there. Huh? So next time, I want you to fight. fight and come first in class, those people that are coming first, they don't have two heads. They read, they write, they are always busy reading their books. I know you can do it. I know you can do it.
I guess I'll just put more effort in tutoring her.
Ah, well, you've always done your best. But it's okay, put more effort.
Thank you, sir.
And thank you so much for
Welcome, sir.
trying here. Fight. I know you'll make me proud.
You first position.
Yes. See, I can say it anywhere. I have never imagined anything less than first position, and I'm proud of myself, even my parents. So walk, read.
Oh, you told me that you used to carry first position.
Eric! You like to know that you used to carry first position. Where? How? When? Eric? When? Your father has never carried first position before.
And you were even angry I took third position.
Eric! Your daughter took third and you're angry. Hey! Eric! Thank God. Thank God you don't have the kind of itiboribo brain that your father has. The kind of one he has. You have the kind of your mother's own. Thank God you're lucky. Keep on having, in fact, next time, second position. Eric, I'm saying the truth.
You said enough.
Because I'm saying the truth now. Because I'm saying the truth. No problem. Eric, no problem. My dear, thank you so much. Next time, take second position. Thank God you don't have the kind of brain your father has. It's easy. Eric, it's a worry bomb.
So you lie. You too, you lie. You said you used to take first position. First position used to be your trademark. So it's last position that is your trademark. I cannot wait to go home and tell Auntie Neye.
Will you shut up your mouth? Huh? Can't you just pretend for once?
I cannot
Must you tell her everything?
I cannot pretend. I don't know how to pretend and I don't want to learn it. If they did not expose you now, you make me believe that you used to take first position and you make me believe that I am the problem. You are lying. Let's go. Let me go and expose you. Finish. Let's go. I've exposed you. Let's go. Mr. Eric, it's a body, it's a concord.
Uncompromised first position. It's a body.
I've never imagined anything less than first position.
Linus! I thought as much.
I want to take first position in my class this time.
You will take first position. Yes. I will put more effort in tutoring you. First position?
Yes. I want to be like my father. I used to take first position every time.
This is Doris, my girlfriend.
Hi.
Welcome, Miss Doris.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, darling.
Yeah.
Meet my daughter.
Welcome, Miss Doris.
What's her name?
Her name is Miracle, my daughter.
Oh.
And she's Chineye, her nanny.
Yes. Oh. Miracle, you're so cute. Trust me, we're all gonna have lots of fun. And you said Chineye, you're okay, the maid, right?
No. My nanny.
My nanny, maid.
Daughter's nanny.
Oh, same. Nice to meet you both.
Yeah. All right, let me show you.
Okay.
Oh my God. Thank you.
me to cry. Don't wipe the tears. I didn't see everything. You see this you for this compound. You don't see what thing you don't put yourself into. I tell you, say they do give you oga. They do give you oga. Make your oga see that woman in you. Make your oga see that beautiful girl in you, so that your oga fit marry you. You no agree. You see it now, your work you won't do. Now your work you don't do. Now your car don't carry another woman come house. You don't they cry.
But I'm not crying. I'm hungry.
You are hungry. I know you are hungry. I know you are hungry. But I'm here to give you a food. And the food what I won't give you be say, go and twerk for your oga. I want your oga to marry you. Even if your oga no agree marry you, I go stand by you. You go marry your oga. The next thing what your oga go do, now to tell you say, put the ring. And you carry the ring and put for oga hand. Now go do wedding. You see those girls where they come this compound? I could make you understand, say, I be your good neighbor. I go frustrate those girls. If I not frustrate those girls, how do you know me? I go frustrate them at the end of the day. Your car will now turn back and tell you, Chinenye, I'm in love with you. And the case will settle. Start working. If you don't get lipstick, carry engine oil. Wherein they put for generator. Do like this. Make Oka see that shining thing in you. Okay? I'm coming back. They twerk for Oka. Even if you know Sabi twerk, shake them. But you see those girls? I don't vex in spirit. You see those girls? I go frustrate them for this compound. I go frustrate them. Then go no say, I am your good neighbor. And your Oka must marry you. If your Oka no marry you, you know me. I don't vex. Don't worry, I'm coming back. Put yourself in order. My good neighbor. My good neighbor, my future neighbor, in Madam Mata. Bye-bye,
This is so big. You will tell me, right?
Oh, it's not too big.
I can't finish it. Can you finish yours? Oh, I don't really eat much. Oh my gosh, this meal is so delicious. Babe, did you make it?
No, Auntie Nanya made it.
Oh,
She's the best cook in the world.
best cook in the world. You've not tasted mine. Wait until you have a taste of my meal before you confirm the best cook. Don't worry, I'll have to make you something.
I don't think anyone can cook better than her.
I can cook even better than your late mom. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
How dare you make such an insensitive statement?
It's not intentional. It was a slip of tongue. I'm sorry.
A slip of tongue. That slip of tongue just ruined this moment.
I'm sorry.
You don't do that.
Miracle. Miracle.
Miracle. Miracle. Why would you say that? Why?
I'm sorry. It was slip of
tongue, right? Look at what you've done. Alright, you can. Just eat. Finish the food.
Everything.
It's alright.
Are you serious? I should finish.
Miracle! Miracle!
Heart is low, but it's not too late to say I love you, baby. I'm so sorry that I did.
I'm sorry!
Real love, you feel it, you see it.
Hey babe.
Babe.
How are you?
Good.
A quick one. I wanted to accompany my daughter for shopping tomorrow. Right, she has a list of items to buy. So please help her.
That's not a problem. But then, why would you allow her make her list herself?
Come on, baby. My daughter knows what she wants.
I don't think it's wise for you to cross-check it after making the list. You get her everything she wants.
Baby, come on. It's not necessary.
Oh,
My daughter is conservative with her needs. Besides, her well-being is my priority.
Your priority. So, where does that keep me?
Baby, you're my girlfriend. My lover. She's my daughter. And both of you means a lot to me.
Okay, so we are both your
priority.
Yeah.
Come here. Thank you.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
You know what I'm saying?
No. What? I have something to...
Stop. Okay, what? Hi, Miracle. Hi, Miracle.
Good morning.
Good morning. Your father told me I'll be shopping for you today. So can I have the list?
We're supposed to go together.
Let me have the list first. The list. Alright, I'll handle it myself.
Why?
I don't get it.
I'm supposed to go with you.
Read. So I have to start going home. Yeah. Okay, here. This is for you.
Wow! All this for me?
Yes.
Thank you! You are the best.
Yeah. Let's see how happy you are. I'm teaching you how to treat a lover. And I hope you'll learn.
Sure, I'm a fast learner. I will make it up to you soon.
Are you sure?
Sure.
I can't wait. Yeah.
Thanks.
I need to start believing.
Oh.
Yes, before that little girl start something again. But you know me now, if she too do, I go give her. I know so I get grace for her.
I trust you now.
Yeah. Love you.
I love you.
I'll see you soon.
I will. See you soon. Take care.
I was lost, busy chasing shadows, searching for true love where there is none. The path is long, but it's not too late to say I love you, baby. I'm so sorry that I didn't see you.
Just this. These are not what I asked for.
Miracle, you have to learn how to be grateful. Yes, you have to be appreciative. Have the spirit of gratitude. You know, the saying, appreciation is an application for more. When you appreciate someone for what they have done, they tend to do more things for you. Learn how to appreciate them, girl.
You were supposed to buy everything on the list. So why this?
Oh my darling, that is the thing, you know. Sometimes you don't really get what you want. That is life for you and you need to learn that. Your father is just a normal man. An average man, he only has a shop. Not even a supermarket. Do you want to run him down? I'm asking you. Do you want to eat everything? Just look at the list you made. From that small shop. Oh, you don't want him to see money to pay my bride price. When we get married, have you thought about it? What are we going to eat when you keep on eating like this, like a thief? You need to slow down. Slow down. And you, You're not talking to her. Impact some knowledge into her. Because when you start paying bills, you know, I guess you tend to understand what I'm talking about. God, impact some things into her head.
Just look at you. Look at what you are saying. I specifically gave you money to buy things for my daughter. And you ended up buying things for your own advantage. Why?
And so? Tell me, what is bad? I got things for myself. Is it wrong for your woman to get things for herself? Why you shout? Why you raising your voice?
Hey!
What?
I remember giving you money last week. What did you do with it? And this one was supposed to be for my daughter. My daughter! And you use it for your own interest and you're here saying nonsense.
You know what? I will refund your money. I will refund you. Just give me time. How much is it? How much? Just a little money you're already backing. You want the neighbors to hear that I got it for myself?
I gave you money many times. How much have you refunded? Now tell me.
Don't I refund in kind? Yes.
You're simply pathetic.
What? My daughter, my daughter, my daughter. I wish I could just strangle her. Let me have my man to myself. Ew.
I don't eat without my daughter.
Are you for real? Babe, so you refused to touch your food because your daughter did not eat with you? Are you for real? Well, whether you're eating or not, I will eat my dinner. Wait. You're still on this? For real? Wait. What are you paid to do? You are paid to work, not sit and gossip. And what are you doing here? You ought to be taking your nap. Well, I want you to wash those clothes properly. I don't care about this one, sir, but you see mine. Wash them properly and iron them. If you like, burn them. You will have me to contend with. Because I will so deal with you. Gosh! Rubbish.
Auntie, you're not saying anything.
Miracle, what do you want me to say?
What do I want you to say? Why would you let her treat you like slave?
Miracle, this is my job and I'm paid to do this.
That's a lie. You're not being paid to serve one random girl like that. You don't do that.
Miracle, she's now part of the family. Please allow me.
Says who? Says who? How are you sure? She's just a girlfriend, not wife.
A title she will soon hold.
Please, I don't like her. My father will not marry her for any reason. And I'll make sure of that. Please, do not wash those clothes.
Miracle, are you going to decide for your father? Will you? I don't want trouble. Please, let me just wash these clothes.
But I can decide if she will stay in my life or not. So I don't want her in my life. You're not going to wash those clothes. I don't want you to watch them. She's treating you like a slave.
Could you and I know that I'm employed to do this?
That's a lie. We're not employed to serve her.
Please, I don't want any trouble.
Good afternoon.
What do you want?
I want to buy crates of egg and cabin biscuits.
You go fit carry them.
Of course.
Go in and get it then.
You mean I should go in and get it by myself?
Can't you see I am busy? Huh? Go in, get what you want, bring it, let me calculate for you, then you give me my money and go. Gosh! Customers are always right, customers are always right. That is in your father's house, not in my shop.
Sorry, I see what I want.
Carry egg! If the egg falls, you will pay.
Sorry.
Sorry to yourself. Okay, that's in my shop. Egg. My money is 15,000.
Eh? For egg and biscuits. Might not buy, might go come back.
You won't swallow me. Look at the fear you.
I don't get that kind of.
How much you want to pay?
7,000.
So you know the price. You can't the bring.
I bet you.
Show her. Where's my account, Amo?
I don't know.
This your eye be like thief eye.
Sorry.
Get thief eye.
I need light of sun.
Oga, they go. Ah. Now shop right you. Neighbor, I'll keys our bags to help you take care of the show. Thank you. Don't mention it.
All this for me.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
That's because you're doing a good job. Let this last you for 2 weeks. What did I say? 2 weeks. Because I'm not giving you any money anytime soon. So know how to use it.
I'm a very good manager of resources. I'll manage it. I'll manage it.
And you know how you won my heart. Because you're so good on the bed.
That's what I studied in school.
Ah, come on.
I'm a clitoridectomist.
You're crazy. So just make sure you use it well.
I will. Okay, just come tonight. Let me show you. I've got some skills that will drive you into frenzy. Yeah.
But not tonight. No, you're tempting me.
Why?
Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll come and see what you've got down there.
Okay. Let's go. I'm there for you.
Yeah, I have to go now.
Okay. Thank you very much. I'll miss you.
Bye.
Take care.
What is going on here? Empty spaces everywhere. Three. What about the money? Something is definitely wrong somewhere.
I think he's going to kill her.
Oh, can you bring it down? I'm making a video. You're too loud. Bring it down. Oh my god, so funny. That's a baby. Hi, baby.
Doris,
Hey, hold on.
what happened at the shop? The sales are not adding up. For my calculations of yesterday and today, I am making a great loss of 200,000. What happened?
So what are you implying? That I'm stealing from you? Ew.
I never said so. I'm only asking for explanations. So be kind enough to tell me.
It's okay. Well, I only took 50,000 naira for my upkeep. For the rest, I don't know.
You only took 50,000? You only took 50,000 and just look at the way you're talking about. Just! You've controlled this shop for just 3 days. 3 days!
Is that why you're shouting? Why are you shouting? You're raising your voice for just 50,000 naira. Oh, that means you can't even buy me hers. Designers, bags, shoes, good outfits. Just, you know, I am sorry. Forgive me.
Did you look at that shop at all? Did you see how it is? Just 3 days of your presence there, and I'm losing such an amount of naira. When you stay there more than 3 days, then I'm going to be wrecked forever.
Well, I just said I am sorry. My face might not look it, but within me, in my heart, I am truly sorry. Please forgive me. How was your day?
It's not to be controlled.
How was your day?
Mimi, that's by the way, John. I'll just take my leave.
Why are you not saying anything?
What do you mean?
My father is making a huge mistake. You see my father making mistakes, yet you say nothing about it.
Miracle, I already told you I'm not in position to do this. I mean, I respect boundaries. Yes. We are talking about your father's affair. And I have no right to say anything except he permits me.
My father told me you've been my nanny ever since I was 3. He said you've been here. You've been part of our family. So tell me, why do you think you are not in a position to tell him what to do? You have the right to tell him what to do. You have the right to caution him when he's doing mistakes. You have the right to do that. That girl is not good for him. She would ruin him for us.
Miracle, I understand, but I'm sorry I can't help you. I can't.
Why are you crying?
No, I'm so sorry. I'm not crying. Something entered my eyes and is irritating me. Please just go to bed, okay? I'll see you tomorrow.
You see my father making mistakes, yet you say nothing about it.
Miracle, I already told you I'm not in position to do this. I mean, I respect boundaries. Yes. We are talking about your father's affair. And I have no right to say anything except he permits me.
My father told me you've been my nanny ever since I was 3. He said you've been here. You've been part of our family. So tell me, why do you think you are not in a position to tell him what to do? You have the right to tell him what to do. You have the right to caution him when he's doing mistakes. You have the right to do that. That girl is not good for him. She would ruin him for us.
Hey, come back here first, come back. Come back. See, make I tell you something, eh? No matter anything where you go do for this compound, eh? You see that man no go marry you. I guess you go off in your man. Look at me, at my condition, you know be my spec. You know fit be what is your problem? Talk less of that man, we don't make him for life. You don't get shame. Now you no get shame.
Like, you are prognosing into another man's business. Okay.
Because it's my neighbor. I am a good neighbor. I go slap you. Slap you. I go disrespect you now. Don't make it effort. I make it like Bareko. Make it like Bareko.
So because I actually look calm and gentle, you think say you get mad? You dey learn, no? You dey learn.
I make I know make that man marry you.
Go marry me.
Okay,
wait. You do not want him to marry me. Who do you want him to get married
that
to?
Man get
your
destiny.
Sister or you?
That man get destiny. You are nothing but a pick and drop keke. Allow man to carry chartered bus and go to his destiny. Your own don't spoil.
It's just because of the respect I have for men. Oh, well, you're not even a man. You are a boy. Boy, oh boy, that is what you are.
I am a boy and you are not my spec. Yes, you are a boy, you are not my spec.
I am too big for you, bro.
Eh?
Yes, I'm too big for you.
Look at this one.
Let me sound this as a warning to you because I can see you're already talking like a girl. Whenever or anytime you try to stop me for this rubbish again,
and I go frustrate you for this compound. If I don't frustrate you, you think that you go marry him?
You're already a mad boy. You're already a mad boy. Mayora.
Mayora too.
Yes, can I?
The Mayora too.
And you do.
You're not for you need to. Oh, you need to. Oh, you're the too. You're the area too. There's nothing you can do. I go once I'm hearing my go. I'm a deal of fear. At Parepo. Parepo, you know the Bama for the drama. You think if you got the shop.
If you don't anything, you go collect.
I go collect
because I don't follow the knock.
I know if collect. I go knock you. You know if do anything. Go back to your father's compound.
He go
and continue your father's frustration. No come frustrate another person picking. Do your own of it. Make room for me. Move your own of it. So nobody have on the peke me young. In that frustrate them to say you very Ibama Rabana Frama. I very frustrated engineer friend.
Sorry, I don't like excuses. I don't like this excuse. You promised to give me some cash and all these stories you are telling me now.
But I am telling you to calm down. Emeka, calm down and understand me. Eric is noticing that money is missing from the shop. And that is causing problem between us already.
And not giving me money will cause a bigger problem between us. You will have to choose who we want to keep among us.
Are you for real? Is that a threat?
It is not a threat. I'm making a point. I'm making a serious point at that.
You just walked after me.
What are you looking for?
Looking for my necklace. I can't find it. Did you see it? Did you?
You're looking for your necklace?
Yes.
Is it the one you're putting on?
No. The one I bought yesterday. I don't know. But you know what? It's fine. I'm even tired of searching for it. I'll continue tomorrow. I'll be in the section room.
Okay.
I was lost. Busy chasing shadows. Searching for true love where there is none. The path is long, but it's not too late to say I love you, baby. I'm so sorry that I didn't see you. Show it, oh, but fake love is just worse. True love gives you true happiness. Don't use someone just for your own benefit. Oh no, because you don't know how much it hurts when they know the real truth. Don't expect true love from fake people. Oh, yeah. Don't expect true love from fake people. Oh, yeah. Don't expect true love from fake people.
Do not worry, yeah? With this medication, you'll feel better. Okay? Get well for me, baby. Please. I'll be going to see my uncle later today. Is that fine with you? Or you'll be fine. You'll be fine.
Daddy, are you okay?
He's okay.
Daddy.
He's okay. He's fine. He will be fine. Stop rubbing him now. He's sick, you can see. Reduce it. I'm sorry. I want to be sick.
Are you going out? Why are you leaving?
I have somewhere I have to be right now.
But my father is sick, so why are you going?
Your father is not a baby. And like I said, I gave him some medications already, so he'll be fine in no time.
Even at that, he is sick. My nanny is not coming today because today is obviously her off day. So you should sit back and, take care of him.
Miracle! You are not a baby. Can you listen to yourself? Your nanny is not coming today. You are old enough to take responsibilities. Grow up. Take care of your father. You are his only child for now. I have to leave now. I'll be back soon.
Hello?
Auntie Neye, please, where are you? Please start coming. My father is dying. Please start coming.
Jesus, Mira!
Okay. Sorry. She's on my way. Okay. Stay near a pipe. I need to cover you. Sorry.
Don't expect your love from fake people. Don't expect your love from fake people. I was lost, busy chasing shadows, searching for true love where there is none.
Jesus. Sir. Miracle, did you give him any drugs?
Don't.
Please pass down. He's running temperature.
Sorry, Daddy. I wanted to cover him with his wrapper. I didn't see.
You'll be fine. Where is his phone? We need to call the family doctor. Dial his number. Hello, sir. Yes, calling on behalf of Mr. Eric. Sir, please, he's not feeling fine and he's running temperature. Yes, he's also exhibiting other symptoms. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. You'll be fine.
I've been calling since and she's not even picking my calls.
Why are you bothering yourself for someone that abandoned you on your sick bed? Why?
Miracle, you're not supposed to be talking to you like
No,
that.
I need to talk to him like that because I don't even know when you want to learn your lessons. This lady abandoned you on your sick bed. Now you're still calling her. Since you don't want to advise me, let me do that. Daddy, all these things you are doing, I don't even like it. You need to change.
Are you okay?
Are you okay? Ah.
Chineye! Please wake up!
Auntie Nenye.
Chineye! Get me my phone! Chineye! Can you just wake up?
Let's call the doctor.
Wake up now! Chineye! Wake up now, Chineye!
We should call the doctor.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I just wanted to calm the whole tension. I'm sorry, sir.
Why would you do that?
I know you wouldn't want to lose me.
I guess you're happy now.
Yes. Keep doing this and you'll have me forever. Safe. Come on. You're the best. Just come with me. I have got some smooth skills for you.
Yeah, I miss you a
Let's
lot.
go to the bed.
Auntie, my dad is calling you.
Huh?
My dad is calling you.
Now?
Yes, now. Please call me urgent. He's calling you. So urgent.
Sir, you sent for me. Yes, sir.
Who said that?
Miracle said you wanted to see me.
I didn't send for you. What's she up to, this girl? Miracle!
Miracle!
What?
Miracle, open this door! What kind of games are you playing?
Miracle now, open this door!
Open this door!
Miracle, I'm talking to you, open this door!
I'm not opening it until both of you express your hidden affection for each other.
What games are you playing?
I'm not playing any game. Both of you love each other, yet you keep hiding it. Then you have to propose to her, else she will stay there. You won't come out of that room.
Miracle is no longer funny.
What is this? Miracle!
If you think I'm playing, if you think I'm joking, don't propose to her. You will remain there and die of starvation.
Come on, open this door! Miracle!
Miracle, stop, open this door. Miracle!
You are the answer to everything.
Miracle!
Loving everything. You are the answer to everything. Loving you is loving everything. You are the answer to everything. Loving you is loving everything. Ooh, ooh. How come I never see you all this years? Never knew all I searched for is right here with me. Oh, I have waited for so long. I can't see your love. You are the answer to everything. Loving you is loving everything. You are the answer to everything. Loving you is loving everything. You are.
Hi! Oh my God.
Why are you laughing?
I am laughing at us. At our clumsiness and bravery and self-denial. My daughter was right after all. We've been in love with each other. And we refused to admit it. Can't you see?
Yes.
Yes, I knew it.
She was right. But you know it's not in my place to chase a man. I've always loved you. But how do you expect me to express my affection to a man who is entangled with so many women?
Yeah, you're right. But what you need to understand is that I am with those women because I do not want to ruin my relationship with you. I am scared of expressing my ideas, my feelings towards you. I do not want you to see it as if I am taking you for granted. See, you have been part of this family for a long time, more than a decade. You're here with me since my wife died. You didn't leave. You've been part and parcel of this family for so long, for so many years, more than a decade. You became my daughter's nanny for the past 15 years. I do not want it to seem as if I'm taking you for granted. I do not want to lose you.
Lose me? I've been working with you for 15 good years. I mean, you thought it was intentional, right? I had better opportunities to leave you, but I never did. That was because I was scared of losing you. But you kept on hurting me over and over again. At the point, I thought the search was over with Zara. But then, you came up with Doris. I rejected so many suitors because of you. But how did you pay me back? I waited for you. I gave you time. But then I was tortured. I cried day and night. Hoping that one day you could give in your heart, but that never happened. It never happened.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything I might have caused you. I'm sorry for the pain. I'm sorry for the agony. I'm sorry I came short of what you expected of me. Please forgive me. You are a hidden treasure that I never acknowledged. But I'm back to my senses. I will choose you over and over again. My daughter and I have decided to spend the rest of our lives with you. And I humbly ask, will you marry me? Yes. 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 Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for making me do the right thing. You've brightened my day. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm so happy that these both are now together.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm happy to be with you.
And you know I love you so much.
I love you too.
Come here.
What is going on here?
Kind of luggage. I already helped you to pack your things, once you come to move out. As you can see, they're having their best moment.
Hey. Come on. Pack your things.
What is this? She's now my stepmother, and they're having their best of time.
Babe, tell me she is lying. Tell me she's lying.
She's not lying.
Please, I don't want to lose you.
Can you just stop? Stop this drama, please! Stop!
So you've been doing behind my back. For real? Listen, I'm going to be a good stepmother to you, trust me. Babe, we can work things out.
Expensive. And I'll have a new woman. I love her so much.
Stop! You stop!
Stop this!
How dare you? The lips is mine!
Are you okay? I don't want you to get physical here, right? Pack your things and leave.
I can see your love. You are the answer to everything. Loving you is loving everything. You are the answer to everything. Loving you is loving everything. You are the answer to everything. Loving you is loving everything. How come I never see you all this years? Never knew all I searched for is right here with me. Oh, I have waited for so long. I can see your love. You are the answer to everything. Loving you is loving everything. You are the answer to everything. Loving you is loving everything. You are the answer to everything. Loving you is loving everything. You are the answer to everything. Loving you is loving everything. You are the answer to everything. Loving you is loving everything. You are the answer to everything. Loving you is loving everything. Ooh, ooh. How come I never see you all this years? Never knew all I searched for is right here with me. Oh, I have waited for so long. I can see your love. You are the answer to everything. Loving you is loving everything. You are the answer to everything. Loving you is loving everything. You are the answer to
Daddy. Daddy.
Is everything alright? Hey.
Honey.
Easier. How the baby's kicking?
Very well.
Easy, easy, easy. Sit down. Hey! Yeah? So, how do you feel?
I'm feeling good.
Good. And you, Miracle?
I feel great and happy. I'm expecting my brother.
Aww.
And how are you sure it's a boy?
It's a boy. I know. I can't wait to meet him. A special boy.
Me too. The big sis is waiting.
Yes.
Big sis indeed.
We can't wait. Baby, I love you so much. You? Love you.
Heart of man is wicked, wicked indeed.